got another birthday cake special. My 9-year-old requested a peaches and cream cake. We're also traveling on her birthday, so make a peaches and cream poke cake. I think everybody's gonna love a little peach surprise. Let's start with draining some peaches. I'm gonna save the juice. Let's see how this goes. One, number two. So I got these from Costco.
Oh, a peach. A peach.
It's a peach. Did you taste it?
I tasted it.
It's not peach season, so I got canned jarred peaches. We're gonna use some for inside the cake, some to use to decorate on top, but you definitely want to get out all this excess liquid. Gotta be freaking Hulk Hogan to open one of these. Let's let our peaches drip dry while we make our halfway homemade cake. 3 large eggs. 1, 2. We're not taking the chair over here. No, you're not having jelly beans right now. Put it on your plate.
No.
Yes. The recipe calls for 1 cup of water. I think I'm gonna do a cup of peach juice because peaches.
Hot.
It's not. You wanna pour this in? 1, 2, 3. Wow. So I heard almond extract is supposed to bring out the flavor in peaches. Did you know that?
Not the slightest idea.
Then like a little splash of almond. Okay, we don't have oil, so we're using butter.
3, 1.
Woo! So let's take care of these peaches. Pour them in a separate bowl. And now I'm gonna line the strainer with some paper towel. In there, make sure they're super dry. I'm gonna dice a few up to put in the batter. You want one? Good thing I made all 4 jars because everybody be loving peaches. Doesn't have to be exact. Take this bowl and put it back in the strainer for now. ChatGPT said if you mix your peaches in with a little powdered sugar, it'll get rid of the excess liquid. Okay, so it's probably a lot of sugar.
Probably just right enough.
Let's put this in the batter.
Mommy, you should do that. Mommy. All right. Okay.
Here's what our batter looks like.
Okay.
It's good. Pour in our batter. We're gonna flatten her out.
Oh, this one.
Better?
A bird. Like scoops. Dirt. Right.
Nope. We're gonna put it into the oven or whatever Duncan Hines says, which is probably like 30-ish minutes. We did take a little longer than 30 minutes, maybe like 35. Peaches did add some extra moisture that needed to be baked out, but that's okay. While it's still warm, you need to make poke holes. Perfect utensil for it. Use a wooden spoon, silicone, whatever. Maybe like every inch or so. 5 by 6 is what I got here. While the cake's still warm, pour sweetened condensed milk in the holes. Okay. We're gonna put a peach, a whole little peach. I don't care that they're poking out a little bit. This gives me peach tres leches vibes. And I'll look for not perfect peaches. I do want to save a couple of these pretty peaches for the top of the cake. We'll let her cool. ChatGPT also said this is best the day after, which is perfect because we're not eating this till tomorrow. I'm gonna brush with some of this peach juice. Like I frosted some brownies, box brownies with this icing for my daughter to take to school today. Best icing I think I've ever made. So a mix between a whipped cream and a cream cheese frosting. Honestly, chef's kiss. Little rosettes maybe over each peach. By rosettes, I really just mean swirls.
Didn't even listen so well.
See ya. Gonna help me make this frosting?
Yeah. You're not gonna film me, right?
Are you ready?
No, I'm not. It's not my fault you got a call in 3 minutes. There we go.
Okay.
There's still... Okay, that's about half cup.
That looks beautiful.
1 block of cream cheese.
All right. Till well incorporated. When it looks like this, vanilla, sprinkle of salt, 1.5 cups of heavy cream until it makes whipped cream. Till it gets fluffy. When it gets like this, scrape the sides for good measure. Give her 1 more whip.
Reminds me of like Cool Whip.
That's it. But like better.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
This is definitely the best icing. Okay. Hopefully we don't get microplastics in our frosting. Do we leave it like this? Or do we spread it? With these peaches, doing little sunflowers. Did a little practice on some paper towel. Really just setting them up in a little circle. But you do have to face all of the peaches the same way. 2 more minutes till my class begins. Can I get this done? I'll get some of it done. Not all of it. Be back with some sprinkles to go in the middle.
Okay.
I like sunflowers, so you do a little chocolate sprinkle in the
That's
middle.
a really good idea.
How's your birthday cake?
It
So
looks
you-
spectacular. It's like
You can add a little more to this one. Yay! Here's our peaches and cream cake.
my idea.
9 years old tomorrow.
On the plate. Make a wish, Troy.